Good day, everyone. My name is Jason Kild El Sanarho, and I'm here to present my presentation titled Gender and School Understanding Gender Dynamics in Education. By the way, my name is Jason Kild El Sanarho, and now I'm presenting this presentation. Introduction. What is gender? Gender refers to the roles, behavior, and attributes that a society considered appropriate for men and women. It differs from biological sex, male, female. Why is gender important in school? School are environment where gender roles are learned and reinforced. Understanding gender can help create a more exclusive and supportive learning environment. Yes, importante jud kayo ang school. Kay tungod if kay para makahibaw yun sila og unsa ang gender, kay matudlo man dito sa school ang understanding sa gender. Gender roles in education. Traditional gender roles. Boys are often encouraged to be assertive, logical, and competitive. Kami daw mga lalaki is dapat ma-encourage daw to be assertive, logical, and competitive. Girls are often encouraged to be nurturing, cooperative, and emotional. How these roles affect learning? Boys and girls may be pushed toward certain subject. Boys esteem girls in arts. Gender stereotypes can limit students' interest and career aspiration. Gender inequality in school disparities in education. Girls in some regions face barriers to education due to cultural expectation, poverty, or lack of access to school. Sorry guys. Boys may face lower expectation in literacy and are more likely to be disciplined in school. Impact of gender inequality. Limited opportunity from both gender to reach their full potential. Gender gaps in subjects like math, science, and leadership roles. Promoting gender equality encourage equal opportunity. Provide equal encouragement for all students regardless of gender to pursue an subject or activity. Challenging gender stereotypes. Encourage diverse role model in all areas of education, female scientists, male nurse. Diba kuya was encourage diverse role models in all areas of education. Male daw mahimong scientist, then male nurse. Creating exclusive environment. Schools should have policies that prevent gender-based discrimination and bullying. Bitaw, kasagaran bitaw karon. Dali ra kayo kasagaran karon. Sorry guys. Sakit kayo akong ari. Sakit itong nangatol. Sorry kayo. Kasagaran karon. Dali ra kayo mo discriminate ang mga tao. Like, kanang siya, babae siya, kanang, di na siya dapat kon kay kanang kuan daw. Kanang mahina daw, mahina kay babae. Dapat dili na siya i-discriminate, tampangan din advisean og unsay nindot ikuan sa iya, di ba? Ana. Karon grabe jud kay mga discriminate ang mga tao karon sa based on gender. Gender and classroom dynamic. Teacher expectation. Teacher expectation based on gender can influence how students perform. Teachers should be mindful of their own biases and treat all students equally. Karon, teacher, high school ba ako din? Nadyo ko makita na nadyo pagka-biases sa inside the classroom because I heard I see my two eyes, then like biases yung kayo bitaw if mo treat og student data magkano na. Per interaction, gender norms can influence how students interact with each other. Encouraging positive interaction can help reduce bullying or exclusion based on gender. The importance of gender education, awareness, and empowerment. Teaching about gender in school helps students understand their own identities and respect other difference. Yes! Mo na naka-importansya sa education, gender education awareness on and empowerment. Because sa kita nga bata pa gipa eskwela jud ta nga kanang haron makaibaw ta og unsa ang gilearn ta og unsa ang atong ma-manage na to ang ato ang pagdako bitaw, like makakaton po tag respeto sa usag tao, dira jud nato makita, dira jud nato i-balance sa school. Creating an safe environment. A school environment where all students feel valued and respected leads to better academic performance and emotional well-being. Ang student daw feel valued and respected leads to better academic performance and emotional well-being. Key takes ways. Gender roles can influence learning expectation, but they don't have limit student opportunity. Promoting gender equality in school benefits everyone. Yes, they should not wala jud na limit sa student nga mo promote sa gender equality, kay kita ang tanang tao, ang tanang student dapat mo equal yan nag-treatment sa bisag unsa nga gender, mga babae man, matumboy man, mabayot man, or malalaki man. Call to action. Let's work together to make school more inclusive and supportive for all genders. Thank you and good evening, guys. Dan ako. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and comment down below kung okay na ba yung presentation ko.